First, fill the lantern with fuel. Always fill it outdoors and never while the lantern is lit, near a flame, or close to other ignition sources. Turn the fuel valve to off. Close the pump knob firmly and turn it clockwise. With the lantern in a level position, remove the fuel cap. Use a funnel or suitable filling device and fill the lantern with clean, fresh fuel. Replace the fuel caps on the lantern and on the fuel container. Tighten firmly. Wipe up any spilled fuel and dispose in a safe place. First, install the mantles, which are these small cloth bags that, when installed and lit, will glow with a warm light. Attach the mantles to the burners. Be sure the clips engage the groove. Now it's time to pump. Be sure the fuel valve is off and the fuel cap is firmly closed. Open the pump knob by turning one full turn to the left. Cover the hole in the pump knob with your thumb and pump it approximately 30 full strokes. Close the pump knob. Push a lit match through the lighting hole and turn the fuel valve to high. If you see fire other than at the mantles, there is likely a leak. The mantles should burn bright white. If they don't, clean the generator tip. When you're done, turn the fuel valve off. The light will dim and go out in a couple of minutes. Make sure the lantern is cool before packing it.